Good morning, friends. Today we discuss about the solar system. Now, in this solar system, as you know that it consists of the sun and the other celestial objects present in the space revolving around the sun. The gravitational attraction between the sun and these objects keeps them revolving around it. The various entities like the planets, meteors, comets, etc., are part of our solar system. The 8 planets in their order of distance from the Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Now, here we discuss about the inner planets as well as outer planet. So what is the meaning of the inner planet? So any of the 4 planets of the Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars whose orbits lies nearest to the sun. The inner planets are of the smaller size, similar size and have high density compared to the larger gas giant among outer planets. They are composed mostly of rock and metal and are relatively slow to rotate with solid surfaces. It has no ring and few moons. While in outer planet, any of the 4 planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune whose orbits lie outside that of Mars. The outer planets are large gas giants. The outer planets are so much larger than the inner planet that they make 99% of the mass of the celestial bodies that orbit of the sun. Now first we discuss about the sun. The sun is the nearest star among all the stars present in the universe from us. It is the main source of heat and light for all the planets, especially Earth. Now the planets, we discuss about the planet, different type of planets one by one. So the planet are like stars, but they do not have light of their own. They merely reflect the sunlight that falls on them. The planet keep changing their position with respect to the stars. These are the objects revolving around the sun in fixed path, and this fixed path is termed as an orbit. Now we discuss about the period of revolution. It is the time taken by planet to complete full revolution around the sun. And period of rotation, it is the time taken by planet to complete one rotation around its own axis. Okay, now next point is satellite. These are the celestial bodies present around other celestial body. Example, moon. Moon is a satellite of the earth. Now, what is the meaning of artificial satellite? So these are the man-made satellite present around the earth is known as artificial satellite. Now next we discuss about the Mercury. Or it is also known as the Buth. So Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun and the smallest planet present in our solar system. It is very difficult to observe it as most of the time it is hidden in the glare of the sun. Mercury has no satellite of its own. So Mercury, that is the characteristics we can conclude that is the nearest planet to the sun. It is the smallest planet of our solar system. It is very close to the sun, so it is quite difficult to observe it, and it has no satellite of its own. Now next we discuss about the Venus. So Venus, it is the nearest planet to the earth, and it is the brightest planet visible in the night sky. It is also called the morning star or evening star, although it is not a star. Okay, Venus is not a star. Venus rotates on its axis from east to west direction, and Venus has no moon, no satellite of its own. So Venus appears in the western sky after the sunset and is known as the evening star. Now next we discuss about the earth. Or it is known as the Prithvi. So it is only planet in the solar system on which life exists. Earth appears blue-green due to the reflection of light from water and landmass of its surface. The axis of rotation of Earth is not perpendicular to the plane of its orbit. The tilt is responsible for the change of season on the Earth. It has only one moon or satellite of its own. Now next planet we discuss about Mars. Okay. So Mars is the next planet. The first outside of the orbit of the Earth is Mars, and it appears slightly reddish, and therefore it is also called the red planet. Mars has two small natural satellites. Mars has two natural satellites. Then after we discuss about the Jupiter. Is also known as Brihaspati. Jupiter is also known as the Brihaspati. So it is the largest planet of the solar system. It rotates very rapidly on its axis. Jupiter has large number of satellites and also has faint rings around it. It is about 1,300 times larger than that of the Earth, and its mass about 318 times than that of our Earth. And next planet, that is we discuss about the Saturn. So here you can be observed that Jupiter and its large satellite, and then after we discuss about Saturn. Is also known as the Shani. So Saturn, it is the yellowish colored planet. It is the yellowish colored planet, and there are beautiful rings around this planet, and which are not observed in any other planet. It is the least dense among all the planets. Its density is less than that of water. Okay. So Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun, and the second largest in the solar system after Jupiter. It contains beautiful rings around it which is not visible with the naked eye, and it has large number of satellites.